We're just down the road from home. I'm having a picnic just on the other side of the canal, on the main road, by the weir. We'll sit down and try and rest my weary head. I didn't do a vlog last night, but I wasn't very well, unfortunately. But anyway, let's just listen to a bit of the road traffic, but also the nature around us. It's actually the 10th of October, and it's warm. It's really warm. You see the harvest. Look at the apples on those trees over there. Lovely, aren't they? Zooming even further. Here we go. Oh yes. Look at that apples. Lovely. Anyway, I'm going to have my picnic. So, I'm off now. So it's time to say goodbye.